Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator reacting to the video, and today we are unboxing today's package. For the first time ever on Damage TV, we are outside doing the unboxing. Alright, normally I don't do this, but I have somewhere to go, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I don't know if this is for Influenster or what, but we're going to find out today. Still, you gotta be cautious, because it could be liquids in here. Sculpt with light. Sculpted with light? What does that mean? Holy crap! Haha, it is. This is Influenster. This is their NYX campaign. Let me see what's inside. Oh, let's read the card. New Born to Glow Icy Highlighter Duo sculpted with light with our new Ultra Reflective Pressed Powder Highlighter Duo 2 shades from glowing to blinding, premium blendable for face and body for all skin tones, non-ashy. Okay, alright. Whoa, that's it? Because you know we always need something extra. Okay, so let's see what we got here. It's always some tape, man. Okay. So this is nice. We got the NYX Born to Glow Icy Highlighter. Icy. Okay, look at that. That's nice, isn't it? Alright, so let me show you what the colors look like. See that? Really nice. And when it hit the light, ooh. So the colors are about the bronze and gemstone. Okay. I'm not like, oh, I got a rash. Anyway, I'm not a fan of highlighter, but this is nice. This could be like for eyeshadow or something. Because y'all know I'm a sucker for eyeshadow. But this is actually cool. And the sun is out, so this is definitely good for the outside. You see that light how I hit? Ooh! Oh my god. This is dope. This is really dope. So that's pretty much it. I'll be doing the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share the video, share cool stuff, and click that notification bell so you be notified of all my videos. I am actually on the way out, like I said before. And did I put out 2 videos today? You know, I put out 1 video yesterday. It should already be up. It's about the hair removal. The hair removal product that I just got is actually in my bag. Let me show y'all this. I'm supposed to be listening out for the phone too. That's not in here. Oh, here it is. If you want to see a review on this bad boy right here, please click on that first link in the description below. It'll take you to my Damage Review playlist. It'll show you all the things that I reviewed, from headphones to makeup to all what's in this bag right here. So yeah, go ahead and check that out, and I'm gonna see you all next time. Bye.